Hello, this is George Senda, the one, the official, the only, the original, the authentic, the real, the guy from Pittsburgh. And I want to tell you, it's amazing to me how many people didn't know that Safeway was closing at 7 o'clock on Christmas Eve. And this is my haul video for the night. I went out and got stuff for me, something for the cats, and something to make in the future. I've been wanting to do this. I haven't had the money, so I got that check. Kathy said, "You spend money fast." I said, "Well, when you're eating Meals on Wheels for breakfast." She goes, "Why do you eat cereal?" I said, "I've eaten cereal sick all my life. Cereal doesn't fill me up in the morning. I'm still hungry." So, I want to thank Dari and Justin and Jeremy and all the other people who've helped me out in the past year. I really appreciate it, and helped kitties. I hope you have a great Christmas and you have a good Hanukkah. That started yesterday. And I went downtown to see if the Mexican restaurant was open because today was Taco Tuesday and it was not open. And I checked to see if I ever go to Reno on the train. It's like $110 to go to Reno. They raised the price to go to Sacramento. It used to be $42. So, but I'm going to take a trip next year. Once I get the iPad, I'm going to take a secret trip, and you'll get to see me in a whole new state that I've never been to before. That's all I'm going to say about it. All right, here we go. We have more cuties. I love these things. These are on sale for like $1.97. We have 2 more bottles of Martinez sparkling cider. I'm getting my exercise carrying these things home, and next month I will have 1 out of 2 carts I'm going to be buying. I got on the bus, let's see, how old is this thing? It's always fun to read. Oh, this is today's. Hobbled Seahawks turned to beast mode part 2. Seahawks sure seem right for the picking. This is today's sports page. So, and a poor family got burned out and their car got burglarized. This was in San Jose. So that's terrible for Christmas. All right. I feel sorry for them. Okay, we have ham and cheese scramble. So I got 2 of those. I don't have to eat Meals on Wheels for breakfast. I got a treat for myself. This was $5.99. I didn't have time to go look at other stuff because I got out of there and I was the last one out, last man standing, or sitting in the wheelchair actually. Jumbo butterfly shrimp, so that's going to be dinner. All right, we have here, these were on sale. I can't really make the popcorn, the air popper at night. It makes too much noise. I don't want to keep anybody up, so I got 2 boxes of movie theater butter popcorn, which for generic store brand popcorn is actually pretty good. And let's see what else is in here. 2 turkey kielbasis and 2 cans of stag chili. And I grabbed a can of garbanzo beans by mistake. For some reason, they put those next to chili. A thing of mustard. I've been out of mustard for weeks. I use that on the kielbasa and sandwiches. 2 cans of chicken and cheddar cheese feast gravy for my kitties. That way, if it's raining on the 31st, I got enough to last to the 31st. There's the other kielbasa. There goes my coffee cup. And I don't have to worry about it. I don't have any wet cat food for my cats. Kerrygold Irish Pure Butter. Good stuff. Simply steamed broccoli with cheese sauce. And, they were on sale for $1.25. So I grabbed 3 of these. And let's see, got a bunch of travel papers to read, local papers. I'll show you that in a minute. A thing of deviled egg potato salad. And train schedules for the area, going down to San Jose. I didn't know they had a train going to Gilroy. This is the Diablo Gazette. This is December issue Alive. They talk about book publishing in there. This is the Bay Crossings. This is the Hotel Coupons book. Found out where I would need to go that there are some cheap hotels, unlike being in California. Here's a fuzzy. And I got train schedules and bus schedules and all of that. It's $110 to go to Reno. And so I don't know about that. I was thinking about going to Reno sometime and go to the sports book and do a little gambling and do live slot machining, but that's awfully pricey to me. All right, butter top white bread. I can't stand wheat bread. They had these on sale really cheap, and so I got a pineapple, and I want to tell you that is not light to carry home with you. And I got all that salad to eat tonight, so I got me some tomatoes. Got to finish that off tonight. Tomato missing here somewhere. There goes one of my keyboards. It's trying to fall down. There's the other tomato, so I'll eat that later with some tuna fish. That's why the bag with the keyboard was falling down. Got 12 gravy packs for the kitties. I gave some of those today to Mama Cat and Kitten and to everybody. They scarfed them. Let's see what else is in here. Bag of party mix. I gave four Temptations to Fluffy, and for some reason I don't know if he ate too fast or what, he threw them up. So that disturbed me. And then we have Safeway. I've never tried this stuff. I'll try it and do a video. Extra butter microwave popcorn. Okay. And okay. And another tomato, which I think something has gotten squashed in here. So that's it. That's the last haul until the 31st. Then I go out. Kathy and I will finally get together and go out for New Year's Eve day. And then she has to rush home, or else she doesn't get home, and I have to rush home, or I don't get home. So I believe that's it. Yep, that's all. Wait a minute. Something's in there heavy, clunky. What's clunky? I don't know if there's something clunky in here. Oh, it's just all these schedules. So I got Ace Train to go to San Jose. I got Caltrain. I got the train going to Sacramento. I got the Capital Quarter schedule. I'm thinking of going somewhere next year, get out of the house for the day or maybe 2 days by checking into a hotel, do some videos out of town. All right. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great Christmas, everybody. Enjoy your holiday. Enjoy your time with your family and your loved ones. Stay warm and dry. Hopefully no wetness for you. No coolness that you're all bundled up. Here in the Bay Area, we're going to get rain, thunderstorms possible, snow in the upper elevations. Sacramento's having snow, and it's already starting to get nippy out there. Okay, that's it for this one, and I will catch you later. Have a great holiday, and thank you for watching, and thanks for supporting me for the last year and my beloved kitties. Bye-bye for now. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh.